Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be making noodles, inshallah. So let's start making noodles. Here I have all the ingredients that you need to make the noodles, the type of noodles I'm going to make. So here I've got a tin of kidney beans, tin of sweet corn. We're going to use half a bit because I'm not making a lot. We got some of these noodles, and I've got some of these which look like a spaghetti. These are flattened ones. I usually make it out of these, but I've only got a little bit left, so I'm gonna mix these two. I have onion, I have tomatoes, I have garlic, I have ginger, and I have the spices, which are the curry powder, madras curry, cumin seeds. I have pepper, I mean salt, and crushed dried coriander. The reason I've got a little bit of salt is that I'm going to use a soy sauce. Oh yes, a soy sauce. I need a soy sauce as well. That has a salt. So I'm going to include the soy sauce as well. Okay, so that's the soy sauce. I mean, noodles without the soy sauce wouldn't be noodles, I think. So there you go. So we begin with oil in the pan, and we're going to fry the onions first. Now add the noodles. Okay, now add these as well. Let them boil. That's ginger and garlic fresh. The onions are now browned. I'm now going to add the ginger and garlic. Okay, I'm now going to add the tomatoes. So let that boil and let that get cooked before we add the spices. Keep on beating it till you knock out the daylight. Now we add the spices. That's all of the spices. Give it a good mix and continue to cook. Okay, so the noodles are done. I'm now going to turn the gas off and drain the water out. Now add your kidney beans, half of the kidney beans, and the sweet corn, half of it. That'll do. Okay, now we'll add the noodles or the spaghetti, both of them. Okay, that's both added. Now it needs a very good mix. I'm holding the camera in one hand, so it's a bit awkward. After it has been mixed, you need to add the soy sauce. Depending on what type of soy sauce you have, the dark, thick, or the thin. The idea is to have the taste of a soy sauce, but not too much. Don't make it too dark. Stir it and see how it is. And this is very dark and very strong, so we don't want a lot of soy sauce. Okay, you see, I've only added about a tablespoon, or probably a bit less than a tablespoon, and as you can see, has made the noodles very dark. So the noodles are now basically ready. You can garnish it with spices, with herbs like coriander, basil, whatever you prefer. And this is now done, and it come out really good. Tabarakallah. As you can see, come out really good. You see, it's come out really good, as you can see. Thank you for watching our video, and please do subscribe and share the video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.